Hi friends, Miss Claire here with another scarf song. So make sure you grab a scarf that you have around the house. It can be a play one or one that you would normally wear, where you're gonna need it for this song. Since there's some rain in the forecast, I thought I would share Rain is Falling Down. So for this one, you kind of are just gonna wave your scarf in the air. If they will let you, you can put the scarf on your little one's head and kind of pull it down for the splash part, because we're gonna say rain is falling down, splash, and you can do it across their face, or you can just kind of drop the scarf to the floor. Then for the second verse, sun is peeking out, you're just gonna do a little peekaboo again, like we did yesterday. Okay, here we go. Rain is falling down, splash. Rain is falling down, splash. Pitter patter, pitter patter, rain is falling down, splash. Sun is peeking out, peek. Sun is peeking out, peek. Peeking here, peeking there. Sun is peeking out,